what you can't do. If you got a dream, chase it. Believe it. Die trying to succeed it. Cause that's what I'm doing.
How's everybody doing on this marvelous day? As you can see, today, hunty, I am giving you nose contour to the fullest, baby. Okay. Like, my nose is literally snatched, honey. I am giving you Michael Jackson bruness just to the snatch, honey. Tell me if I did good. You know, little rhinoplasty surgery real quick. But anyway, let's just get into the video. So, girl, it's that time of the month. It's time to talk. It's time to talk. It's time to talk. Let's get it out. Yeah. So, I get a lot of emails asking me this question, and I get a lot of emails of people who are first starting off, well, transgender females who are first starting off the transition, and they want advice on how to tuck. Now, if you guys don't know what tucking is when you make your wiener look like a fortune cookie. So first thing what you're gonna need is a pair of Hanes boxers. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Why are you going to be needing a pair of Hanes boxers? Well, I'm going to tell you why. So, I don't have a boyfriend to give these to. So, when I do get one, when you spend the night, you're gonna have an extra pair of drawers here. So, if you try to leave, I'm gonna be like, I got some underwear for you. You're gonna need these Hanes drawers. Now, I know what you're thinking, like, why are you gonna need these if you're doing a girly activity? But I'm going to tell you. Just hold on, wait. See these underwear right here? I hate them! I hate them. I'm sorry. I hate them with all of my might. My mom used to always make me wear them when I was younger, and I used to be like, Mom, please just give me some Victoria's Secret panties, please, please, please. And I used to steal my sister's panties so much. So, first thing you're going to want to do is cut off this tight, because this thing right here, this little bungee thing, comes in handy. You're going to need it. So, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to just cut it all right there. Now, when it gets a little cut like that, what I like to do is... See? So much easier. Didn't that just save us so much time? Like, look. Okay. This is what you are going to need, this bungee thing. So, why are you going to need this is because put it on and then it's going to strap around your wrist. Around your waist. This is your wrist. Right part. Also, what you're going to need is a sock, or what I used to do is I used to always use a stocking. But I don't use a stocking or a sock anymore because... Okay. So what you're gonna do is cut off both of these tips right here. Now, if you got some good socks, they're gonna be hard to cut through, but these socks are from like Target, and because eventually these two ends are going to meet up. Oh my goodness. We almost there, y'all. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller, but you're not going to really need to cut off this, because what you're going to do is, like I said, you're going to need this. And you're going to stick this through it. Okay, so this is going to be secured. And that is how you tuck. Now, I am a transgender woman, and all I ask for is a little respect. No disrespect, but I ain't entertaining it if it ain't about a check. And to everybody watching this, transgender community, LGBT community, anybody, if you're not in the transgender or not acceptable in the community, please, I really beg you, please do not be disrespectful, because this video is for not entertain. It's for entertainment. It is for entertainment, but it's for educational and how to. Because honey, when I was younger, learning how to do this, it wasn't a common thing. And the person I learned from, well, that's just gonna have to be a story time. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video, and I hope that you all remember that. Hunty, if you are not slaying, then what the fuck are you saying? And slay until your hair turn gray. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and I hope that this video was educational, informative, and yeah. Thank you guys for all the support.